I know it was you.
You're going to have to be more specific.
The message, the anonymous post.
People post things all the time.
Not things that destroy someone.
Destroy. That's dramatic.
My scholarship interview was cancelled.
That's unfortunate.
They say someone reported I cheated on exams.
Did you?
No.
Then you have nothing to worry about.
Someone used my private study notes as evidence.
Interesting.
Only one person had those notes.
You are accusing me?
I'm asking you.
Why would I do that?
Because you applied for the same scholarship.
So did 10 other people.
None of them sat next to me every day.
You think I'm jealous?
I think you're desperate.
Careful.
Just tell me the truth.
And if it was me?
Then I want to hear you say it.
Should have locked your notebook.